Hey there guys, welcome back to another video of all things Apple Plus. Well, we are currently now with another update from Panda Own with the Uncover Jailbreak. Now, yesterday I posted about version 4.0 being out and version 4.0.1 being out. Now we're at version 4.0.2. There is now support for iOS 13.0 to 13.2.3. So if you're having some problems with those OS versions, this is the correct version of Uncover that you're going to want to download and install onto your device to jailbreak. Now, currently version 4.0.1 was the latest one until this one came out. That fixed a couple of bug issues from the App Store, people not being able to download applications from the App Store, directly, and it fixed just a plethora of bugs. So I'm glad that there are currently just updates after updates within the Uncover Jailbreak. So what I'll do is I'm going to show you guys within this tutorial how to get the latest version of the Uncover Jailbreak. Also know that with this jailbreak version 4.0.2, it will show up as version 4.0.1 on your device. So just make sure that you are aware of that when you do download from their site, you are getting version 4.0.2 as it shows here on the Uncover's website, but it will come, the IPA, once you try to initiate the actual application, it will say 4.0.1. So let's navigate over. We have our iPhone. We are currently jailbroken at the moment. Cydia is currently working on my 11 Pro Max at the moment, and everything is looking fine. Everything works perfectly, no issues. It's actually been a pretty solid and stable jailbreak. We have the 11 Pro Max, as you can see here. So let's actually, first and foremost, let's get rid of the uncovered jailbreak, or the uncovered application. So we're going to remove that. We're going to power off our devices because this is a semi-tethered jailbreak, meaning so whenever you restart your device, you lose that jailbreak. So if you notice, we're also going to turn off Bluetooth real quick. If you notice that now we don't have our jailbreak working, so Cydia is currently not working after restarting our device. So we're going to navigate over into Safari and we're going to type in Uncover, and we're going to navigate over to Uncover's website so we can download the actual IPA version 4.0.2. Again, once you launch this app, it will say version 4.0.1. So as you can see, it has finished downloading. We're going to go ahead and tap on the download button here. We're going to go ahead and hit the magnifying glass, and that will bring us over to our Files app where we can find the version 4.0.2. So let's go ahead and tap on that, and then from here we're going to tap the share option. We're going to scroll over to more, and then from more we're going to copy to Alt Store. Now I want to show you something real quick in Alt Store. I've been having a lot of issues with Alt Store personally with this whole mail bug situation, and it's not frustrating, but I know Alt Store can be a good application to use, but I've been having some issues with them. So I'm actually going to show you guys just an alternative method, because Alt Store, you do need to have you need to either have a PC or you need to have a Mac, and for whatever reason, there's this mail error option that I continue to get from time to time. So I'm going to show you guys real fast. And even if you guys go to the mail options here, there's no preferences tab. You're going to have to probably do this portion on your actual PC, but I want to keep this as a non-PC version on how to get the Uncovered Jailbreak on your guys' devices. So I've done a tutorial on how to get this with your PC, so I'm going to show you guys real quick with AppCake how to get the actual Uncovered Jailbreak app side-loaded to your actual device. So we're gonna actually look up AppCake real quick and navigate over to their main webpage here. Awesome. So we're going to hit OK. Once we navigate over to their page, it's going to direct us straight to the AppCake website where we can install their application. So AppCake is just like the Alt Store, where you can side load applications as you will. You just don't need a computer for this one. So it takes the hassle if you don't have a PC or if you don't have a Mac out, and you can just be able to sideload any applications that you want from here. So with AppCake, we're going to go ahead and trust the application as we would normally. So let's go ahead and navigate over to General. We're going to scroll down to Profiles and Device Management. We're going to see here we have the Toyota motor. We're going to go ahead and trust that. From there, we're going to go ahead and launch the AppCake, and then we're going to hit Allow. If you want to join the Discord, go ahead. Just go ahead and hit no thanks if you don't need to. Go ahead and hit Verify. We're going to hit Allow. As the profile is downloading, we're going to go ahead and navigate back into settings, into our profiles and device management, and install the AppCake verification. So we're going to go ahead and punch in our passcode here. Go ahead and hit install. We're going to go ahead and hit open and navigate back into AppCake. So even though it does say no app sync, we're going to go ahead and hit yes, and then we're going to you can actually see that everything works normal, everything is fine. No problems, no issues with AppCake. So let's go ahead and navigate back into our Files app. We have the download of version 4.0.2, as you can see here. Let's hit the share option one more time, navigate over into more. From more, we're going to go into AppCake, and we're going to hit yes for file import. That will import the actual uncovered application where we can go ahead and install the app from there. So the app is going to load in the background. Looks like everything is running normal, running fine. We can go ahead and hit the install button. Perfect. Let's go ahead and navigate over to our Springboard here. And as you can see, the application runs perfectly. So we can go ahead and tap on the application. And as you can see, the application looks fine. We do have at the very bottom 4.0.1. Do not worry about that. It is the exact version, 4.0.2. So there, you can even find on Pond2Own's webpage that it is 4.0.2. So let's go ahead and turn on airplane mode. If you do get this icon where it does say cleaning, go ahead and just either wait it out. I'm actually going to go and turn on my service here real fast. And if you get stuck on this portion, just go ahead and tap on the application, and it should just kind of kick back to the normal app, or it should just kind of surface. Go ahead and even hold on to it too. There you go. All right, perfect. So the application runs fine. Let's go actually and head into the settings. I do want to show you a quick interesting feature. There's a lot of stuff that's within the settings version of this app. I wouldn't mess with anything. The only thing that I would really look for is you can check for the update within the application. So you'll notice that even though it does say 4.0.1, you can still check for any updates within the application itself too. So it's a really cool version and very interesting way of updating the application versus having to download it and then reinstall it. That's just what I like to do personally. So let's go ahead and jailbreak our phone here, and then as you can see here, the phone will respring within 2 seconds. Let's go ahead and back up, and as you can see, the phone's working perfectly. We're currently on version 4.0.2, jailbroken. Everything looks perfect. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did, please like, comment, subscribe. As you can see here, obviously Cydia is currently working. Everything works perfect with this jailbreak. If you guys have any questions when it comes to the jailbreak, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to make sure I attend to any questions or concerns you guys might have. I hope you guys have a good rest of your night. Peace.